guys, this is Arjita. Welcome to today's video, and here I'll be creating a super simple quick winter themed card, and for that I used a stamp set and I'm using my Misty, placing my little stamp, and I have tried to use all the open images which have a lot of space to color, and as I know none of us have time to color and we just want to create lots and lots of beautiful cards for Christmas and winters. So I'm stamping it with some VersaMark and then adding the Imagine embossing powder in white. I'll be heat embossing all the images similarly, and then heat set it with a heat tool. So this is going to add a resist, and we can add any kind of coloring medium on top of it. So you can do Copic coloring, you can do watercoloring on this, but for today I kept it very simple and very quick. So you'll just see in a couple of seconds that the way I'll be coloring these images will be stunning and easy. So I'm using some green shades and blue shades from the Brilliance and VersaMagic line, basically all my dewdrops, and I'm just scrubbing and smooshing it all over my images. So this is going to add the color instantly, and your images are ready to be placed on the card. So here I have used a mason jar and some trees. You can do it with anything. You can use Santa, you can use the reindeers, and it's a super quick coloring. Here you can also see that I'm mixing 2-3 shades of purples and blues, and the same I did for the greens. So I created a tiny mask and the images are ready. So now I have used my sharp pair of scissors and fussy cut all of them. To create a nice background, I'm using Versafine Clair and a kraft colored cardstock. So placing the cardstock right on top, and I'll have this most stunning crisp wood blank background for my card. Versafine inks and Versafine Clair inks are just stunning for this. They give you the most crisp results. So here is the initial layout for the card, and I decided to use some vellum for my sentiment, and for that I'll use my VersaMark and the same white embossing powder. I'm using some powder tool, VersaMark, and I'll stamp the sentiment. This card hardly took me 10 minutes, and you can really mass produce this as well. You can add different colors, blend them, or just use the same combination which I did. So I'm heat setting the sentiment, and by this time my images are also dry. I'll use a trimmer to chop the sentiment strip, and here is the card. So I'll use some tear tape to adhere the vellum, and I folded it and I'll just stick it here. So I adhered all the pieces, and now I'm adding some snowflakes using Pico embellisher in white. So this is it, and I hope you enjoyed this card for today. And if you want to see more such videos, please visit the Imagine blog and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.